at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday,
Test is postponed to the next fair weather day.
Postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Massachusetts, including the greater Worcester area, issued at 10:08 a.m. Wednesday, June 11th. This afternoon, sunny. Highs around 80.
Forgot it's Wednesday.
Warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each morning at 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazard in the region. In that case, for coastal New Hampshire. West of today, west winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Waves around 2 feet. Mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers this
I have no idea what in this house is causing the interference, but fucking whatever, I guess.
chance of rain 20%. Thunderstorms are not forecast for this period. Water temperature 61 degrees. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Waves around 2 feet. Mostly clear. A slight chance of showers in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 20%. Thunderstorms are not forecast for this period. Water temperature 61 degrees. Thursday, west winds around 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Waves around 2 feet. Mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Thunderstorms are not forecast for this period.
This guy read it as unrecognized, but it still went off. Cool. It feels good to be able to get KCZ 40 weeklies again.